Can you really put any value into a function? Try 0 or a negative number. Sometimes the function breaks, so how do we know what's allowed? Domain simply means all the values you are allowed to put into a function. Think of a function like a machine. You give an input, it gives an output. But some inputs can break the machine. Domain tells you which inputs are safe. Now let's learn how to write domain properly. There are three main ways. This is set notation. It is read as all x such that x is not equal to 0. This is interval notation. Round brackets means not included and square brackets means included. This is inequality form, simple and direct. Different styles but same meaning. Look at this example, f of x equals to x square. You can put any number here, nothing breaks, so the domain is all real numbers. Here is one more example, f of x equals to 1 over x. Here you cannot put x equals to 0 because division by 0 is undefined. Let's write the same domain in three different notations. We have one more example for better understanding. F of x equals to root of x. Square root of negative number is not allowed, so x must be greater than or equal to 0. Let's dive in more depth with the help of example. F of x equals 1 over under root x minus 2. We actually have two restrictions in this function. First, look at the square root. We know that we cannot take the square root of a negative number. So whatever is inside the root must be greater than or equal to 0. So we write x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Look carefully. This square root is in the denominator. And we already know division by 0 is not allowed. So the denominator under root x minus 2 can never be 0. That means x minus 2 cannot be 0. So we have final answer here. X is greater than 2. Remember these important rules with respect to domain. We cannot divide by 0. We should not find root of a negative number. And we should not find log of any number less than or equal to 0. If you remember these three rules, you can find domain of almost any function. Next, we will learn how to find domain from graphs. Subscribe so you don't miss it.